Hey, gang. So, just to kind of round things out for this section, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about removing duplicate pages. And I don't think this really requires a whole nother slide or anything else. It really is important that, say, for example, if you have multiple locations and you were moving from one location to a next, and you've had like 5 different locations, and all of those other locations was already indexed in Google. But when you're trying to claim your business, you see that there are other locations. It's really important that you distinguish and just simply reach out to Google, and they have a phone number that you can call. You can easily do a search and find them accordingly. We use that number often, and we call Google. They have a prompt. I think it's like prompt 3 for local businesses, and they're very, very helpful in getting a lot of those different things removed. I think Google also allows you to get them removed via their website too. There are ways to do that as well, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But the reason why this is an important conversation is this actually can have a negative impact on your rankings. So you want to make certain that if you really do just have one location, you make certain that one location is pinpointed. So we'll talk about that in a little bit and how to do it manually, but you can easily just call Google and they'll get it taken care of for you. All right, gang. See you in the next slide. Hey, gang. So I just want to really quickly show you how to remove a duplicate page or a page that you don't think needs to be there, essentially. So essentially what I did was there's this pizza spot that I love to go to. It literally is called the Pizza Spot. It's based out of... where's it located? It is located in west side of Atlanta, right outside of Atlanta. So this is it right here. And so I'm going to just click here. I'm going to go directly to the location if it will pull it up for me. Perfect. And so you can see they have some pictures on here, which is nice. They have 37 reviews. They're doing some good things there, which is nice. And typically what you'll do is you'll just come down here and you'll see a place where it says suggest and edit. You'll click on that suggest and edit, and then you can report the data problem itself. You can say that the place was permanently closed, and they'll give a reason. They'll say it permanently closed, doesn't exist, moved elsewhere, or duplicate. If it's a duplicate, you want to click that and hit submit. All right? And if you just wanted to come in here just to make some changes, you can click there and say, okay, well, that's not the right one. I'll change that name, or, this is the wrong address. I'll change that, or... the wrong category or whatever. You can change a lot of this stuff. Now, the question you may have is, all right, well, if I can do it, to this one business, then anybody could do it to any business. Well, Google has some ways to spot check those types of things. So don't be too concerned. But this is like one area that you can do in order to remove those duplicate pages. And then the other thing, of course, is just calling Google directly, and they'll help you go through that process as well. All right, and this is the entire section of Google My Business, claiming your business, but it's so critical. This is like the first step. And once you get this step right, everything else kind of falls into place, from a local search and increasing your ranking standpoint. All right, I'll see you guys in the next module.